new commercial HVAC solution from LG. Introducing the LG Rooftop unit. The LG RTU is designed to support retrofit applications with cabinet and airflow layouts developed to help simplify replacement projects and reduce the need for major modifications. A single unit platform supports multiple airflow configurations, giving specifiers and installers more flexibility across a range of project requirements. Single-point power helps simplify electrical connections for the unit and electric heater, while also supporting easier installation and service. Installation flexibility is only part of the story. The LG RTU features a variable speed inverter scroll compressor with wide operating range. It is designed to support stable operation and efficient performance across changing load conditions, achieving high energy efficiency with an IEER of 21. The LG RTU is designed to maintain powerful heating performance in cold weather conditions. It provides full heating capacity down to 23 degrees Fahrenheit without an electric heater, and continuous heating down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, supporting reliable performance when it matters most. The fan technology takes efficiency a step further. The aerodynamic 3D fan, inspired by biomimetic design principles and featuring 3D blade geometry, delivers high-efficient airflow. A beltless direct drive fan helps reduce maintenance needs by eliminating belt and pulley adjustments, while supporting simpler long-term service. A toolless filter access door comes standard, helping make routine inspection and filter replacement faster and easier. For long-term durability, the LG RTU includes a corrosion-resistant black fin heat exchanger designed to help protect coil performance in demanding environments. Designed for flexibility, built for reliability. LG Rooftop Unit.